Hey friends, I'm back again with a new destination of Rishikesh. Today we'll check out Neer Waterfall and Laxman Jhula. A pretty easy hike to the top and a fun place to cool off on a hot day. We rode a bike towards entrance and purchased a ticket for 50 rupees each. There are a couple of small pools, medium pool and two bigger pools to the further up you walk. The surrounding views are great and the waterfall is so beautiful. There are a lot of Indian and foreign tourists here with a great deal of excited scream, shout and selfies. Laxman Jhula. The bridge is one of the iconic landmarks of Rishikesh. As per mythological tale, it is believed that at one point in time, Lord Lakshman, brother of Lord Rama, crossed the river Ganga at the same spot where the present bridge is now constructed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. See you soon with another destination. Till then, take care and keep traveling.